Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a very simple, easy and 100% natural way you can prepare an anti-aging remedy in the comfort of your home. This remedy is going to slow down the aging process of your skin by 35%. I believe that is a very good mark. You agree with me? So if this is your first time stopping by, click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and if you find this video interesting and useful, share it with your friends and loved ones. Give us a huge thumbs up if you like this video. So let's get started. Ginger is rich in anti-inflammatory properties. It's also rich in anti-aging properties. It contains toning properties that is going to help tone your skin and is going to help exfoliate your skin of any kind of dead skin cells on your skin. Ginger is going to help moisturize your skin and rejuvenate your skin. Cucumber is going to keep your skin hydrated because of its high content of water. Cucumber is going to help improve your skin. It's going to help give you a healthy tissue on your skin. Cucumber is going to reduce any kind of puffiness on your skin. Cucumber is going to help prevent any kind of inflammation or bacteria or any skin irritation from your skin. Coconut milk is rich in moisturizing properties. Coconut milk is going to help soothe your skin. It's going to soften your skin. Coconut milk is going to help give you that creamy and tender and younger look. Coconut milk is going to help give you a radiant and glowing skin. Orange juice is high in vitamin C. It also contains toning properties, which is going to help tone your skin. Orange peel has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. It's going to fight any kind of bacteria or inflammation on your skin. Orange peel is going to help give you healthy tissues. It's going to help keep the collagen health of your skin. Just extract the juice. So here is our orange juice, guys. We just turn this into a mixing bowl. Wash our ginger. This size is just okay for this remedy. We don't need too much of it, so we'll just wash it thoroughly. So here is our ginger, clean. So we'll just grate this. Grate it into our mixing bowl. We're done with that. Just extract the leftover from the grater. just need about 3 to 4 spoons of the coconut milk. This is 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 and 4. So guys, this one, if you have, as for the coconut milk, if you have yogurt, you can just put your yogurt. Either of the two is very much okay. So we'll just mix our ingredients together. So guys, this is what it looks like. Now you just go ahead and apply this to your skin, and you can also use this as a face mask because none of the ingredients is so harsh, so it won't affect your skin wrongly. Instead, it's going to get rid of the acne and dark scars on your face, and it's also going to tone your face. So you just apply this on your skin. Apply this, massage it gently into your skin pores for about 5 minutes. Then you allow it to sit on you until it's completely dried before you wash it off with water. You repeat this remedy 2 to 3 times a week for about 3 weeks for an excellent result. Have a look. That's what it looks like. It's not harsh, it's very mild and skin friendly. So I'll just go ahead and wash this off. So guys, do try this at home and drop your comments in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends and loved ones if you found it useful and helpful, and if you like it, give us a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new, useful and very helpful videos like this on this channel. In my next video, I'll see you all very soon.